What if I told you that the most powerful money-making tool you already own is right in your pocket? That's right, your smartphone. In 2025, your phone isn't just for scrolling through Instagram or texting friends. It's a personal finance powerhouse, capable of earning you real, life-changing money with just a few taps. Imagine this: you could turn your downtime into dollars, leverage your skills into a side hustle, or even create a full-time income, all from the device you're probably watching this video on right now. Stay tuned, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you 10 smart, easy ways to make money with your smartphone that could transform your financial future. Ready to unlock this potential? Let's dive right in. 1. Freelance on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. First up, let's talk about turning your skills into cash. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or even a voiceover artist, you can start offering your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, and do it all from your phone. Think about it: you have expertise, whether it's in writing, digital marketing, or tech, and there are millions of clients out there who need exactly that. Your smartphone can connect you to these opportunities instantly. And you can set your own rates. Here's the thing though, competition is fierce. But that's a good thing, it means there's a growing market. Don't let fear hold you back. This could be the first step in creating your dream freelance career. Now, let me ask you, how many of you have a skill you're not monetizing yet? Comment below. I want to know. 2. Become a virtual assistant. Next, let's talk about becoming a virtual assistant. As businesses grow, they need help organizing emails, managing social media, and doing admin tasks. Guess what? You can offer this service from your smartphone. You don't need a fancy office setup, just a reliable phone and a few apps like Google Drive and Slack. The best part? You can earn anywhere from $15 to $50 per hour, depending on your expertise and the client's needs. And here's a pro tip: start small, but aim for a higher hourly rate as you build your portfolio. Your smartphone can help you grow your own business, one client at a time. But here's the thing: the virtual assistant world is booming. If you wait too long, you might miss the wave. 3. Invest in the stock market with apps like Robinhood or Webull. Now, investing might sound intimidating, but hear me out. In 2025, it's easier than ever to get started, and your phone is all you need. Apps like Robinhood and Webull make it possible to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and even crypto right from your phone. And you don't need thousands to start. You can begin with as little as $1. Imagine turning $100 into $200 or $1,000 into $3,000, all from a few quick taps on your screen. But here's the catch: you can lose money. The market's volatile, and this isn't for the faint of heart. So, if you're ready to dive in, educate yourself, and start small. How much could you grow your investments in the next 12 months? Let's just say, the earlier you start, the more you'll benefit. 4. Dropshipping with Shopify and Oberlo. Here's a fun one: dropshipping. It sounds like a buzzword, but when done right, it's a real money-making machine. All you need is a Shopify store and a few suppliers via Oberlo, and boom, you're in business. The beauty of dropshipping is that you don't need to hold inventory or deal with shipping. You only buy the product once a customer buys it from you. It's a low-risk way to start an online business. Now, I'm going to be real with you: it takes work. Marketing, customer service, and SEO optimization will need your attention. But if you're persistent, it can grow into a full-blown e-commerce empire. Want a challenge? How fast do you think you can get your first sale? Let me know in the comments below. 5. Make money by testing apps and websites. Here's a simple one: getting paid to test apps and websites. You've probably been on a website and thought, this could be better. Well, now companies are paying you to tell them exactly that. Sites like User Testing allow you to review websites and apps and give feedback, and they pay you per test. You could make anywhere from $10 to $60 per test, and all you need is your phone to do it. It's an easy way to make extra cash in your free time. Here's a quick pattern interrupt: what's the worst app you've ever used? Tell me in the comments. Let's have some fun with this. 6. Create content on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. If you're creative, TikTok and YouTube Shorts could be your ticket to making money. Once you grow a decent following, brands will pay you to promote their products, and you can even set up monetization through the platforms themselves. Your phone can be your studio, your editing suite, and your cash register. There are influencers out there making six figures just by creating short, engaging content. But don't be fooled, growing an audience isn't easy. It takes time, strategy, and consistency. But if you've got the talent, there's a huge payoff waiting for you. 7. Rent your car with Turo. Don't use your car much. Why not turn it into a money-making machine by renting it out on Turo? This app allows you to rent your car to people looking for a short-term ride. You can make hundreds of dollars per month, depending on your car's make and model. It's as easy as taking some good photos, setting your availability, and letting the app handle the rest. Before you know it, your car could be making money while you sleep. But here's a quick heads up, you'll need to keep your car in good condition, so it's not all passive. 8. Sell photos on stock photography websites. Are you into photography? You don't need to be a pro to sell your photos. Apps like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock let you upload your photos and sell them to buyers worldwide. Every time someone downloads your photo, you get paid. It's passive income that can keep rolling in as long as your photos are on the platform. Imagine turning your phone into a profit-making machine, just by snapping photos that you love to take. 9. Participate in market research via smartphone apps. Want to get paid for your opinions? You can use apps like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie to participate in market research surveys. It's not going to make you a millionaire, but with consistent participation, you can make extra money for gift cards, PayPal Cash, or even real-world rewards. 10. Create and sell digital products. And finally, if you're feeling entrepreneurial, you can create and sell digital products like ebooks, courses, or even digital art, all from your smartphone. Platforms like Etsy, Teachable, and Gumroad allow you to sell directly to customers with minimal overhead. Whether it's an online course, a digital planner, or even a unique font you've designed, there's a market for it. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires creativity, consistency, and a little hustle. But the potential is enormous. So, there you have it, 10 powerful ways you can start making money with your smartphone in 2025. The key takeaway? Your smartphone isn't just a tool for entertainment, it's your gateway to financial freedom. Are you ready to take action? Which one of these strategies are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more financial tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an opportunity to transform your financial future. Get started today, and turn your smartphone into your personal wealth building machine. The next 12 months could change everything.